family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we are back with another video. So as you guys can tell by the title, this is going to be a organize / clean my vanity with me. I just got it. So I'm just organizing it, and then most likely after this video I will do like a vanity tour / makeup collection, and then I will continue with my declutter series just so that I'm not decluttering everything and then my makeup collection looks super empty. So yeah, that is what we're doing. If you want to see me organize my vanity with my everyday makeup items, then just keep on watching. Okay, so my boyfriend just got my vanity all set up yesterday. He needs to get a bigger screw for that down there, but besides that, the vanity is great. It was his aunt's that passed away, so rest in peace. But yeah, I need to organize these two drawers, so I just got some organizers in the mail, and then my palettes are over here. We'll go through everything as we go, but yeah, let's get right into organizing. So I got these off of Amazon. They're like clear trays. It's a 10-piece. Okay, so this is them. So I thought they were going to be a bit more clear, but this works just fine. So this is as far out as it goes. So I'm going to try to set up some trays in here and then move my makeup from the drawer that's on this side into here, because it is all unorganized in the other drawer. So I like the way this looks for now. So I'm just gonna move everything over from over here, and just in case you didn't see what over here looks like, that is the current situation. Okay, now we're gonna do this drawer that I just filtered everything out of into that one. So I'm gonna take everything out and set up some trays in here. Okay, so this is the first drawer in the vanity. That's my eyeshadow palette, highlighter palette, blush, bronzer, highlighter palettes. These are all setting powders, blush, bronzer, highlight, and then concealer, foundation, primers there. This is just a mix of my foundation because I'm mixing 2 shades. And I hate mixing it on the back of my hand. And then I have moisturizers over here, mascara, eyeliner, felt tip liners, 1 single shadow, brow products in here, lashes on the side that I'm currently using. And then in this drawer, I have lips, lip balms, all of my lip balms, some current setting sprays that I'm trying to work through, some more lip balms, lip sleeping mask, lip scrubs, a few balms in there, and makeup wipes and some tape. I will get more in depth when I do my vanity tour. I just wanted to do a quick little clean with me type of video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and the vanity tour should be coming up soon. So I'll see you in the outro. So that brings this video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys thought. Also, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. We are about to hit 600 subscribers, and I still haven't posted my 500 subscriber giveaway update. I have a whole box full of stuff, and then I'm going to incorporate a gift card. So stay tuned for that video. I will be showing you everything that is going to be in the giveaway soon. Also, if you like the gloss that I'm wearing, it is my Mystic Bronze lip gloss, and if you are interested, then just click the link in the description box down below to go and buy it and support me. And on that note, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you are, staying safe, staying blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.